In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to get voice chat on Roblox. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Voice chat on Roblox enhances communication, making it easier to collaborate in games and build stronger social connections. It also adds a layer of realism and interactivity to the gaming experience. To enable voice chat on Roblox, start by opening the Roblox homepage on your laptop or PC. Once the page loads, look at the left-hand side panel and click on the mode option available there. This will bring up a menu where you need to select Help and Safety. On the following page, locate the Help option and click on it. When you click on Help, the Roblox support page will automatically open in your browser. Here, navigate to the Roblox Account tab. Under this section, find and click on the Keep Your Account Safe option. After selecting this, scroll down slightly on the page until you see a hyperlink that reads, "Need more help? Contact support here." Click on this link to proceed. The link will take you to the Contact Us page, where you will first need to verify your date of birth. Alternatively, you can choose to log in directly by clicking the Login option. If you decide to log in, you will be directed to a login page where you must enter your Roblox credentials. Once logged in successfully, you can proceed to fill in the required details about your issue. Enter your username and provide all necessary information, including the device you are facing issues with. Select the Technical Support category under the Health section and explain the issue you are experiencing in your own words. After completing this, click Submit, followed by Continue. It's important to note that the process doesn't end here. You will be required to complete a verification puzzle to confirm you are not a robot. Once this is successfully done, click the Submit button again to finalize your request. Upon completing these steps, your direct chat with the Roblox Customer Support Assistant will be activated. In this chat, inform the assistant that you want to enable voice chat. They will guide you through the necessary steps and resolve the issue for you instantly. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching,